Cancer awareness is an essential part of protecting public health and saving lives across the United States and around the world. Cancer is a disease in which abnormal cells grow uncontrollably in the body and may spread to other organs if not detected and treated early. According to organizations such as the American Cancer Society and the National Cancer Institute, millions of people are diagnosed with cancer every year, but many cases can be prevented or successfully treated when people understand the risks, recognize early warning signs, and seek timely medical care. Raising cancer awareness helps individuals learn about the most common types of cancer, including breast cancer, lung cancer, prostate cancer, colon cancer, and skin cancer. Each type has different causes and symptoms, but many share common risk factors such as smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, poor diet, obesity, lack of physical activity, exposure to harmful chemicals, and long-term sun exposure. Awareness campaigns encourage people to adopt healthier lifestyles by eating balanced diets rich in fruits and vegetables, exercising regularly, maintaining a healthy weight, and avoiding tobacco products. In addition to lifestyle changes, regular health screenings and medical checkups play a critical role in early detection. For example, mammograms can help detect breast cancer early, colonoscopies can identify colon cancer before it becomes severe, and skin checks can reveal unusual moles that may signal skin cancer. Early detection often leads to more effective treatment and higher survival rates. Cancer awareness also focuses on educating people about symptoms that should never be ignored, such as unexplained weight loss, persistent fatigue, unusual bleeding, lumps in the body, long-lasting coughs, or changes in skin appearance. When individuals notice these warning signs and consult a healthcare professional quickly, doctors may diagnose the disease at an earlier stage, making treatment more successful. Another important aspect of cancer awareness is reducing stigma and fear surrounding the disease. Many people delay medical visits because they feel afraid or uncertain about the diagnosis, but education and open conversations can encourage them to seek help sooner. Medical advancements have significantly improved cancer treatments in recent years, including surgery, radiation therapy, chemotherapy, targeted therapy, and hypnotherapy. These treatments, combined with supportive care and emotional support from family and healthcare teams, help millions of patients manage the disease and live longer, healthier lives. Community organizations, hospitals, and health educators often organize events, seminars, and online campaigns to spread accurate information about prevention and treatment. By sharing knowledge, promoting regular screenings, and supporting patients and survivors, cancer awareness programs empower communities to take control of their health and reduce the overall impact of cancer. Ultimately, cancer awareness is not only about understanding the disease but also about inspiring hope, encouraging prevention, and reminding people that early detection truly saves lives. Protecting your health starts with awareness and smart daily choices. Diseases like cancer often develop slowly, but many cases can be prevented or treated successfully if detected early. Health organizations such as the American Cancer Society strongly emphasize prevention and early screening. The most important advice is to avoid tobacco in all forms because smoking is a major cause of cancers such as lung cancer and several others. Maintain a healthy lifestyle by eating fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and reducing processed or unhealthy foods. Regular physical activity helps strengthen the body and lowers the risk of many diseases. Protect your skin from excessive sun exposure to reduce the risk of skin cancer. It is also important to attend regular medical checkups and screenings because early detection can identify cancers like breast cancer and colon cancer before they become life-threatening. Pay attention to warning signs such as unusual lumps, unexplained weight loss, persistent fatigue, or abnormal bleeding, and consult a doctor immediately if these symptoms appear. Limiting alcohol, managing stress, getting enough sleep, and staying informed about health risks can also play a major role in protecting your life. Most importantly, never ignore your health and encourage your family and community to stay aware as well. Early action, healthy habits, and regular medical care can greatly increase the chances of living a long and healthy life.